What's up you guys, Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about GoHighLevel's SaaS mode and what you need to do to start getting your first SaaS clients. Now, for those of you guys unfamiliar with the whole term SaaS and GoHighLevel, SaaS stands for Software as a Service, and GoHighLevel is a marketing agency software platform that just released something they're calling SaaS mode. So basically what you're able to do is white label their marketing agency platform and turn it into your own SaaS company. Now, in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you the only 2 sales funnels that you need to get clients on a consistent basis. Now, if you're brand new here and you're like, Jason, who are you? What's your background? What even gives you the right to speak to us and all this stuff? My name's Jason Wardrop. About 5-6 years ago, I started a real estate lead generation and CRM software company. And over the last 5 years, I've been able to get over 15,000 clients leveraging these 2 exact sales funnels that I'll be showing you right here in today's video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just actually jump onto my whiteboard and break down these sales funnels exactly step by step and how you can leverage and utilize them for your own business to start getting your first SaaS clients with the GoHighLevel SaaS mode platform. So with that said, if you don't mind, go ahead, smash the like button. And if you're brand new here and you want more content on how to get more clients for your marketing agency, or if you're trying to go through and scale your software business with GoHighLevel, then also make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I release new videos every single week on how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. So with that said, let's jump over on my whiteboard and I'll break everything down step by step. All right guys, so let's map out the 2 sales funnels that I personally use to get over 15,000 clients for my own software company. Now, I know a common theme in the marketplace right now is you're just one funnel away, right? Which is true. You want to have one core funnel that's bringing all the traffic, and we'll get to that here in just a second. But then what I have found to have some massive success, massive results is what I call more of a cleanup funnel. Anyone that doesn't go through and buy initially, we have this cleanup funnel to get more clients and more customers in the door. Okay, so let's break down these 2 funnels step by step. So the first one, we've got a high ticket funnel, so I'm just gonna put HT, and then the second one is a low ticket funnel. Now, if you're like, oh Jason, I'm already familiar with the high ticket sales funnels and low ticket sales funnels, bear with me because these are very different when it comes to software and getting software clients. Okay, because nowadays, going through and saying, hey, sign up for my free 14-day trial, everybody's used to that. They don't care about a free 14-day trial. You gotta have some other hook, some other value to bring that person in. And the way I do this is a lot different than anyone else that I've seen ever do this in the marketplace. Now, when we're looking at the high ticket sales funnel, there's really kind of 2 ways to go about doing this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break down the exact step-by-step strategy of what I used, and so you guys can go through and duplicate that as well. And then obviously there's a lot of different low ticket type of sales funnels, but I wanna walk you through the strategy and the step-by-step and where I place everything and why I place it the way I place it, because believe me, it can be a massive help because I have spent millions of dollars on paid advertising, generated a lot of clients. So basically what I want to do is just help save you the trial and error, the guesswork of, oh, should I try this or try that? Because I've already tried so many different things. Okay, so basically let's start out with the high ticket funnel because this is the core funnel that we're gonna be driving all of our paid advertising. And if you want to start out with organic traffic right at the very beginning, this works extremely well as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have an ad, and we're gonna send them to a webinar registration page. Now, the key thing to all this stuff is we wanna be building our email list. Any type of online business, doesn't matter what it is, and you've probably heard this a million times, but the money is in the list, and that is 100% true. And if you're not building your email list, you're missing out on a ton of revenue for your business. So that's what we wanna do. We wanna first go through and send them to a simple opt-in page to get that name, email, potentially phone number, depending on what you're going for. And then what I do is I send them to a webinar room, okay? And this is about a 90-minute webinar. My original webinar was about 2 hours long, so kind of the time frame, guys, a lot of people are like, oh, well, are they gonna stay on for 90 minutes or 2 hours? Yes, if it's actually good content, they will stay on. And here's the key, guys. We're not doing just a traditional $9.97 webinar on the sales page, okay? There's a few different tactics and techniques I wanna show you guys right here because these are really key when you're going through and maximizing your profit for that initial webinar. So now what we're gonna do is we're sending them to a sales page. Now, what I did when I first started out is I was going through and I was selling $9.97 for 12 months access to the software plus digital training and templates, all this cool stuff. And I was like, man, I'm not getting anybody rebilling on my software for a long time, for 12 whole months. And that's crazy, right? So what I did is I then cut it down from 12 months to 6 months. I saw 0% change in my conversion rates. Then I cut it from 6 months to 3 months. Once again, I saw 0 change in my conversion rates. Okay, so what I was doing was offering a one-time $997 full pay or 3 monthly payments of $367, which if you do that, you're gonna see about 75 to 80% of people taking the monthly payment plan, but you're also able to drastically increase the number of conversions you're seeing on that webinar. But that's not all, okay? So what we're gonna do is on this $997 sales page, so we've got $997, we're gonna actually have a $297 one-click upsell. And what I was selling on here was I was selling Facebook Messenger bot templates, plus a member of our team was gonna go through and help them get set up with their account. Now, what I was pitching on the $997 price was already an account rep, someone on our team was gonna go through and help get everything set up for them. And so adding on the Facebook Messenger really wasn't any extra work for our team. And the cool thing is I know that Go High Level just released and announced that they're gonna actually have white labeled setup support for you guys for just 99 bucks. So literally you could pay 99 bucks to one of their team members and they could take care of all of this for you. So this way we're able to maximize the amount we're spending on our advertising to get more and more people in, okay? Because the cool thing is with the software model and we're focusing on getting recurring monthly subscription for our business, we actually don't even care if we ever even make money with this high ticket funnel. Now, obviously, if you can go through and get a 2 or 3x ROI on the money that you're spending on this webinar after going through and really optimizing it like I was able to go through and do, then that's better off for everyone, right? But then this does not stop here. So we've got the initial $997 offer plus the $297 one-click upsell, and you would be amazed by the number of people that actually take that $297 upsell. And guys, we're in the business of sales funnels, right? So if we stop right here, we're actually doing ourselves a disservice. And I see so many webinars nowadays that they actually just stop at the $997. They don't even have a one-click upsell. But what we do on the next page is we're selling software, right? So if you look at supplement funnels in the supplement world, the best way those are structured is they go through and they say like, hey, get some diet pills. And then on the next page they say, hey, it looks like you're interested in diet pills, so here's 3 more bottles of diet pills. And so they just go through and stack on more of what you already bought. Okay, so why not do the same thing in the software world? So what I went through and did is they're initially getting a 3 months access to my software. And then what I said was like, hey, you just purchased 3 months of the software. What about getting an entire year for an extra $497? Okay, so now I'm taking my total cart value from $997 to $997 plus $297, which is $1,294, plus an additional $500. We're able to go through and maximize the amount that we can actually spend on paid advertising to get more people onto our email list and really scale this thing. Okay, so now this right here, I actually was seeing over a 40% take rate of anyone that bought the initial $997 webinar offer. Okay, and right here, this is kind of where I stop because it gets to a point where if you're offering too many upsells and downsells and different things like that, you actually end up just annoying the customer. So I kind of stopped it right there, but this was the most optimized sales process for this high ticket sales funnel. Now, if you're going through and you're doing more of the sales call approach, obviously that's a little bit different, and I've also done that as well, but I like the leverage of leveraging technology. And basically I was a one-man salesperson for a long time with live and automated webinars, being able to get over 15,000 clients. That way I didn't have to go through and manage people, and I don't know, it's just the way I wanted to run my business. Okay, so here we are only gonna probably see a 1.5 to 2% of people actually buying this initial offer. And this is after going through and optimizing the whole webinar process, everything A to Z. So if we have 100 people opting in on this initial webinar registration page, we're gonna have roughly 98 to 99 per people that don't buy this initial offer, but they've already shown that they're interested in what we were offering on the webinar. Okay, so what do we do with these people? Obviously, you want to go through and nurture them, add value, build credibility, trust, rapport, get them into your world, your community, add them to your Facebook groups, Facebook Messenger list, maybe you've got a YouTube channel, some different platforms to go through and get them into your world. But then one of the most powerful funnels where you're gonna actually get a lot more people converting is this low ticket funnel right here. So let me break down the strategy of how this whole funnel works, because this is a multi-step process, but you're able to get a lot more people onto your software platform as well as boost your revenues for the amount of money that you're spending on your paid ads. So right here, if you don't already have this person on your email list, what you wanna do is you always wanna start with an opt-in, okay? So this is assuming that you've already got these people on your email list, so we're not gonna have them re-opt in because that just kind of gets annoying. But if you're going through and doing organic traffic or even ads, you obviously wanna go through and have them opt in first. Okay, then what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna have a $47 ticket item, but what are we selling for $47 right here? We are selling how to go through and generate leads organically for free for their business. Okay, that is a massive hook for any business, any industry that you're in. Real estate, dental, mortgage, insurance, doesn't matter what industry, people want to go through and get more leads and more clients, and if they can do it organically for free, that's even better, right? And the cool thing about the Go High Level software is there are a number of ways that you can go through and leverage that software to get leads for free. The website chat widget, Google Messenger Business, right? We could go down the list. There's several different ways you can go through and leverage this to get free customers. And then, just like up here, we want a one-click upsell for $24. Well, what are we selling here? What we are selling here is we are selling follow-up email, SMS, and messenger templates. Okay, because if we're going through and we're getting leads right here, well, we want a good way to follow up with people, because we all know the fortune is in the follow-up, and I don't know the best way to follow up with these leads. I don't know how to follow up with these leads. And so we want to go through and add that on, because this is something a majority of your clients are going to want. And this whole video training that you're selling right here is going to be going through and showing them how to generate leads organically using your white labeled software platform. Okay, so now they're seeing they're kind of being open to the vision of, okay, I need to do this, I need to do that. Oh, this is the software tool I actually need to go through and use. And so they're gonna naturally sign up for your software platform. Then the next step here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a $197 upsell. Okay, and what we're offering right here, hey, would you like to accelerate your lead generation, right? We just talked about leads right here, and we talked about right here with the supplement funnels, when someone buys something, the next step is offer more of whatever they just got, right? So now we're offering organic free leads, and then the next step is more of whatever they just got. But this is going through and getting more leads, more clients by accelerating it with paid advertising. So now we're going through and showing, okay, these are kind of the ad templates. This is how to go through and set up Facebook ads or Google ads or YouTube ads to accelerate your lead generation. And this is how we go through and use it with the Go High Level, white labeled SaaS platform, all that stuff. And so we have that $197. And then if somebody goes over here and they say, hey, I'm actually, $197 is a bit steep. And they say, no thanks, I don't want to go through and buy this. What you do is you have a pop-up order form and saying, hey, I see you're not interested, but would you like to get this for 2 payments of $99? And you're able to actually collect a lot more sales that way. And then the final step right here, once again, we are going through and offering the same thing up here, which is an annual plan for $497. Now, obviously the whole price points on the annual plan, it's gonna depend on what your monthly price is that you've got it set at. But this is just kind of like a rough standard of what I would go through and set up and do for your own business. And honestly, guys, with these 2 core funnels, you can scale this up like crazy. Okay, running paid ads here, you got all this way to make your money back with paid advertising, plus then you have the email follow-ups and make money back with this paid advertising up here. And then on top of that, you're getting your monthly subscribers onto the software platform where you're starting to build up that recurring software commission. Okay, so anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead, smash the like button. If you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe. And if you guys want more in-depth, step-by-step coaching on how to go through and get clients, set this all up for your business. I know a lot of people in the community, they charge like $2,000, couple $1,000 for this. And truth is, I just want to go through and help you guys. So if you guys want to go through, sign up on my Go High Level affiliate link, upgrade to the $497 SaaS plan. I'll actually bring you guys into my SaaS coaching community, and I will show you guys not theory, which a lot of other people are teaching because they've never actually gone through and done this before. I will show you guys exactly what worked, what didn't work, other funnels to go through and scale your business, and other ways to go through and maximize these low ticket offers for your business to maximize the revenue and maximize the number of clients that you're bringing on to your software platform. So anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful. Once again, smash that like button, sign up down below for the SaaS plan, hit me up, shoot me an email or something like that. Let's connect. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.